Okay, so I was perusing the web today, and I saw a post from Channel 13's Charlie Lopresti talking about the skies, how they're not quite as deep blue as they normally are. This is a live look of Augusta here on Thursday, and you can see that the sky, well, it's blue, is kind of gray. You know, it's not as deep blue. Turns out it's not clouds. That is the smoke from the big Alberta wildfires coming in. He said that would lead to some colorful sunsets, but as you can see, if you go outside and notice it looks a little hazy, that is smoke from wildfires that are thousands of miles away. That's your weather fact for the day. Have a good one.